And then the second reason I'm so passionate is because the common wisdom is wrong, right? It's just like Fred said, this idea of, technology is hijacking your brain. You have no control, right? Like the Social Dilemma movie says, the only thing you can do is call your senator. BS. Why would we wait for the geniuses in Washington to fix this problem? We can do something about it right now. Part of the solution, of course, is using technology that smart people have made to hack back the crappy aspects of technology, right? Like this is what we as humans do. We adapt our behaviors and we adopt new technology to fix the last generation of crappy technology. The philosopher Paul Virilio has this wonderful quote. He says, when you invent the ship, you invent the shipwreck, right? When you invent the ship, you invent the shipwreck. Technology is the ship. There's all these amazing things that technology does. We love it, but of course there's going to be shipwrecks. When was the last time you ever heard of an actual shipwreck, right? Very rare. We don't hear about shipwrecks anymore. Why? Did we stop sailing ships? Of course not. We still sail ships. We made ships better. We fixed them. We used technology to improve the bad aspects of the previous generation of technology. And so that has to be part of the solution, not to say, okay, that's it, we're not going to use it, but it's to use it in a way that benefits us.